Hi, welcome back you guys. This is Cesar from Puente Hyundai, and today I'm going to be going over how to use the front and back parking sensors on the 2020 Sonata. So when your parking sensor is activated, all you want to do is either drive forward or reverse into an object, whether you're driving into a wall or reversing back into a wall. Now you will have to get to the second distance on the parking sensors in order for it to start beeping for you, and so you can actually hear the audio of the video. So when you start going back or forward, once you hit that second line, your parking sensors will start to activate. And when they activate, they will start beeping a little bit faster and then faster until it comes to one long beep, which would be your red line. Once you get to the red line, I would suggest to full stop and double check your parameters. You do have a few more inches to go, but I would always play it safe and just stop right when you hit the red line. All right, you guys, that was a video of how to actually use and to turn on the parking sensors on the 2020 Sonatas. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We definitely want a little bit more feedback from you guys, so we want to know what you guys want to see in one of our videos on any of the cars that we have out, new or pre-owned. Take a look at our website. Other than that, just go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and forward these messages. Thank you.